technical development. Figure Bratslavich. Yo. Golden wonders of a rhyming dreamer. This journey cosmic classic, rest of new dimension, different at the same direction from the base up. The crowd is waiting, the coil unravels, the snake of love, chakra spinning. The frequencies they heal it in the portals of sound. The youth scream with that negative harmonies. Beat up in the back of police transit vans, drive the roads of Babylon. Soon the green head rolls, repeating like an infinite echo. Unseen pain from the faces of my people roaming. Open up the self-absorbed, this dope vibration. From the splifted dramas to the conversation, old mystic, old faces, where the life don't end. Some choose when to go and walk the pavements of the other side. No stresses but a new spirit without a physical body. Times alone, many souls felt. I see him in colour, the figurines of what used to be. I'm waiting patiently, stoned for the day to contact my homie Shane again. My homie Shane again. Perfect from the realms of mental egos, broken windows of this life science. Break the image, mark splendid words, the devices of nature's grow. Personal endeavors, beat the message from the underworld, spy games. Internal vision, I rest eternal old souls. The gang of travelers and nothing stays the same, so make way for the open doors. Close your eyes, imagine the sounds. I hold you in a capture, all the hands of freedom, rock the cradle. Once a man or twice the baby, respect the elder. They call him Michael, mama, papa, I take continue the mystical cycle. No time for the war zone of poisonous realities. Plastic snakes, twisted politics and the places nature gets hung. We watching the race but too shook to make a change. Point the finger, best hope you're staring in the mirror. Studied reflection and if you're lucky you might watch it fade away. Take your finger, this is hip hop. We are hip hop.